In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix redirect loops on a Hostinger website. A redirect loop happens when your site keeps sending visitors from one URL to another and then back again until the browser gives up with an error. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to track it down and fix it inside Hostinger, with a couple of helpful checks along the way. Start by logging into Hostinger and opening the website dashboard for the domain that's having trouble. Working from the correct domain's dashboard keeps every change focused where it matters, and it helps you avoid editing the wrong site if you manage multiple projects. Next, open your redirect settings in Hostinger. Look for any rule that points a page to itself or bounces between two addresses. Remove any redirect that clearly creates a loop, such as sending example.com to www.example.com, while another rule sends www back to the non-www version. Aim for a single, consistent direction for your redirects. If your site runs on WordPress, go to the WordPress dashboard and review the WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL in settings, then general. These two should match your chosen domain and protocol. If you're using HTTPS and non-www, both fields should reflect exactly that. Mismatched values here often cause instant loops. Clear your browser cookies and cache, then test the site again. Old cookies and cached redirects can make a fixed site still look broken. A private browsing window is a handy way to confirm you're seeing fresh results. If you use a website cache or a CDN, clear or purge that cache as well. Server level or CDN caching can preserve an outdated redirect rule even after you fix it, so give it a clean slate before retesting. Open your site's .htaccess file in Hostinger's file manager and review the redirect and rewrite lines. Watch for duplicate HTTPS or www rules or conditions that apply twice. Two separate rules forcing HTTPS and www can accidentally push traffic back and forth unless they're written to work together. If you recently forced HTTPS or changed www preferences, make sure there's only one final path. Choose your canonical version, HTTPS with or without www, and ensure every rule sends visitors there once, not in stages that conflict. Finally, save your changes and test the domain again until the loop is gone. Refresh, try a private window, and confirm the page loads just once to the correct URL. With these checks in place, your site should resolve cleanly and stay consistent for every visitor.